Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating iOS and confirming baseline prerequisites. This prevents known bugs. Next, open Settings and navigate to Notifications, then Critical Alerts, make sure permitted apps are listed. Restart the iPhone to clear temporary issues. Once rebooted, check Focus and Do Not Disturb so alerts aren't silenced. If an app isn't listed, reinstall it. That often restores its critical alert entitlement. These steps prepare the device for deeper fixes. Now you handle the complex middle steps. Update or reinstall the app that should send critical alerts, because entitlements can be restored on reinstallation. Then, reset network settings to fix push notification delivery. Make sure to reconnect to Wi-Fi and cellular after. Also, toggle notifications, background app refresh, and cellular access for the app. This ensures it can receive and present alerts. If the app uses an account, sign out and sign back in to refresh server. Finish by force closing the app and relaunching. Then trigger a test alert if available so you can observe delivery. If that fails, contact the app's support, and if needed, Apple support. They can check entitlement and certificate issues. Make sure to test on another iPhone or with a different Apple ID to determine whether the problem is account-specific versus device-specific. If nothing works, a full iPhone restore from backup can resolve deep system corruption, but use it as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.